this video, I'm going to show you how to get a transcript of any YouTube video. Now, I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on mobile as well. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and select the video that you want to get a transcript of. Now, I'll just be using my own video for this demonstration. Now, if you scroll down beneath the video, you'll see this description. Go and click on the More button at the end of this description. You should then see Transcript, and you can go and click on the Show Transcript button. Now, over in the right hand side, this should generate the YouTube transcript. Now, all you need to do is click on the three horizontal dots and click on Toggle Timestamps. You then just need to move your mouse cursor over to the text, and then you can highlight all of the text like so. You can then go and right click on this and press copy. So now I can go and paste in that transcript to any document. Just bear in mind that this is AI generated, so you may just want to go and check through this to make sure everything's okay. If you don't see the transcript option, that's because of one of two reasons. Either the video's just been published and the transcript option just isn't available yet, or alternatively, the video producer may have disabled the transcript option. So those are two reasons why you may not see this Show Transcript button. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.